In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Edge from syncing with your Google Chrome. If you've been experiencing automatic data transfers between these two browsers every time you launch Edge and would prefer a more distinct separation of your browsing habits and data, you'll find this tutorial helpful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have Microsoft Edge open on your device. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch the browser. Once you've got Microsoft Edge up and running, move on over to the address bar. Here, we'll be typing in a specific URL to access the settings you need. So go ahead and type edge/settings profiles import browsing data into the address bar and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the section in Microsoft Edge's settings where you can manage data import settings for your profiles. Now, on the page that loads, you'll see several options related to importing browsing data. We're particularly looking for the option labeled Import Browser Data from Google Chrome on each launch. You'll notice that there's a toggle switch next to this option, and if it's currently active, that means your data from Chrome is being imported to Edge automatically every time you start it up. To stop this automatic import, all you need to do is click on that toggle switch to turn it off. This will ensure that from now on, Microsoft Edge will not import any new browsing data from Google Chrome automatically each time you launch it. It's a simple fix, but it can make a significant difference in how your data is managed across different browsers. Keep in mind that as soon as you flip that switch, if the system prompts you to confirm this action, go ahead and confirm it. This extra step is just Edge's way of making sure that this is exactly what you intend to do, given that changing these settings can affect how your data is shared across platforms. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Microsoft Edge from syncing with Google Chrome on startup. Moving forward, your Google Chrome data will remain separate unless you choose to import it manually. If you encounter any issues or if you change your mind in the future, you can always revisit these settings using the same method we've discussed today. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made managing your browser settings a bit easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Have a great day exploring the web.